Is the UK under threat from the second wave of the COVID virus, which has seen the Prime Minister, Mr. Boris Johnson, postponing the lockdown easing measures as it relates to the United Kingdom? Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Also, just click that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Having been locked down for 3 months, the United Kingdom is yet to ease the lockdown in full strength based on the fact that they have seen a number or an increase in the number of positive cases as it relates to the COVID virus. Today, we would have seen casinos and also bowling alleys being reopened. However, that was not to be, as the Prime Minister have announced that he will not do it based on the new development that came out of a meeting that was held last week. This is not welcoming news to the residents of the United Kingdom, which have seen a 3-month lockdown being easing steadily, and many people were hoping that this would return to normal. However, that's not to be, as the government have to hold on that measure in order to ease the lockdown in full based on a rise in the number of positive cases, which has seen an increase over the past few weeks. Now, as it stands, the government implemented certain measures as it relates to the wearing of masks in stores and also on public transportation system. Today, we would have seen casinos and all some other business places being given that leeway to reopen. However, that plan was shut down and the government is spearheading new measures in order to curtail the spread of this once more. So casinos and bowling alleys will remain closed, as Boris Johnson said it was time to squeeze the brake pedal. As it stands, face covering remain mandatory in more indoor settings such as cinemas and also business places and also public transport. England Chief Medical Officer Professor Chris Whitty have said that they believe that the United Kingdom have reached the limit of its easing of restriction based on the new development that came out of a meeting that was held recently. The government have also stated that it's very unlikely that everything can reopen as normal and that the government cannot do this in the fact that they are trying to control the virus, so certain things will remain closed until the government accelerates certain protocol in order to curtail the rapid spread of this virus, which has seen a global pandemic right across the world. A number of British holiday goers have their plans cancelled based on the fact of the pandemic bearing down on the world. Countries have closed their borders and foreign office have issued travel bans for holiday destination, not only for certain countries but for most other countries, which has seen this virus being escalating out of control throughout the past few months. It was just last week that the UK government dramatically announced that all travelers returning from Spain would need to be quarantined for 14 days and issued a travel ban to the mainland Spain. Prime Minister Boris Johnson has warned that there is a sign of a second wave of the coronavirus infection across Europe, and the government have warned that there are more countries that will be removed from the safe list protocol. With mounting fears that other countries could join Spain on the no-go list, many Brits are becoming fearful that their holiday right now are set in limbo or they are not sure what's to come based on the new regulations outlined by the government. The UK have seen more than 46,000 individuals losing their life based on the spread of this virus, but as it stands right now, we just have to just adhere to the regulations outlined by the government and try our very best to protect our own self in this global pandemic by wearing our masks and just adhering to every regulations outlined by the government and following the protocols that are outlined by them. It's a difficult one. I know that many individuals, it's a summer right now and outside is warm and it's nice outside, so many people would want to be out there in the public space enjoying this festive time of the year when we are having this wonderful weather. However, that's not to be, as we just have to just adhere to these regulations and just try our best because it's for our own safety and our own well-being. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and I'm out for this one and have more updates to come on this. Thanks for watching. Bless.